Hello, welcome back to Homestead Albania. Today we're gonna build a live trap. I have something that is damaging my chickens. And we're gonna start with these. Some L shapes, about a meter. Already made one, I'm making a few of them. And it's gonna look something like this. Okay, now we're gonna weld it. So we're gonna make a box first. We got the boxes done. For the doors, for the gates, I'm gonna use this piece grill that I have left over from some other job. Then we get something like this. Add a piece of metal in here and weld two pieces. Okay, the hinges are done. Weld two pieces. So these parts are going to be part of the tripping mechanism, and they're going to go somewhere right here. Go away. We have the locking mechanism done. And it goes. Now we're going to work on the trip mechanism over here. Stepping plate for the trigger mechanism. That's the stepping plate. That's a bait. And use this to wrap it up. It is done. This is one of the ways to do it. I'm sure there's other ways too, or you can buy one. It's even better. But for me, it's not an option to buy them here. It will be like hundreds of dollars until it comes to my home. Alright, thank you for watching Homestead Albania. See you on the next project. Bye now.